So once this takes, you have to use polythene bags to surround the garden in order for the chickens not to see what is inside. Try to uproot what we have. We're going to use this stakes for the polythene bags. So we have this now. We have protected the garden with polythene bags, some clothes, with a lot of stakes. So we have this now, and we're going to leave this on for at least 3 to 4 weeks in order that the chicken will not be able to see or uproot the seeds of groundnuts, or perhaps the young crops that might have germinated after some days. So we leave it here like this for at least 3 weeks or 4. That is it. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I bring another interesting video in this series. Thank you for watching. Bye.